Today I'm going to tell you a little about one of the newest must-haves this past holiday season, the Barnes & Noble Nook. It's now one of the world's most advanced ebook readers. It sells for about $250 and you can find it almost any store, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Barnes & Noble. It features two screens. It has a small LCD screen, it's the touch screen at the bottom, and then a standard 6-inch screen right up here at the top. Basically what it does, it allows users to purchase over 2 million books, magazines, and even newspapers for a small price, sometimes even free. It's usually $9.99 and below. Not only can you purchase nearly anything, but it allows for a lifetime library, meaning that everything you buy is going to be stored in your memory card. It's not going to be deleted unless you delete it. And another cool part about the technology is that the company recently added a lending feature, and this allows users to lend books to other users for up to 14 days. So basically what happens, you buy a book and you can lend it to somebody via their iPod, iPhone, or their Nook. And I chose to do this Nook because we had talked about in class the different kinds of technologies that are now eliminating physical delivery, because like this, with the access of Wi-Fi in your house, you can purchase almost anything you want with the touch of just one button in your home and never having to leave. And while these kind of really cool gadgets are hurting businesses, it's kind of good for others, like my mom. This is why I have it. I bought it for her this past holiday because she's been sick and her medicine doesn't allow her to go out and drive. So by having this, she's able to buy her favorite books and still enjoy reading like she does here at home without ever having to leave. And that about sums it up.